Hey my peeps, let's make some s'mores cookies. So I'm getting my famous favorite mold. So I have a Hershey mold that I bought on, I believe I got it on Etsy. But anyways, I took it and I broke it up into chunks because that's what I'm going to put in my cookie. And I've also made mini marshmallows, and I'm going to cut those mini marshmallows in half. And that's also going to be part of my cookie, because I wanted to have, chocolate and marshmallows. And the base of the cookie is going to be like the graham cracker, or the the color of a graham cracker or a cookie. So now I'm placing the pieces onto my mold, and make sure you put the pieces face down, so when you put the dough in it and you release the cookie, everything is facing the right way, okay? So I got a little bit of a s'more sprinkle mix here, and I'm also putting that in there just to add a little something to the cookie and fill up some of the empty space. Um, Now I'm putting the cookie dough in there. So guys, if you don't have a chocolate Hershey mold, you could just use a regular chocolate mold, one of those mini chocolate molds, and just cut that up into pieces and put it in your cookie. Don't feel like you need to go get a Hershey mold, because you don't, okay? So now make sure you press it in there good, and then you just pop it out. And I don't like that shape of that cookie. I think it's weird. I just like the texture of the cookie, but I don't like the shape. So I'm getting a cookie cutter, and I'm going to cut it out round because I like my cookies round. I don't know. Maybe I have issues, but I just like it that way. Anyway, so I'm going to just put a little bit of shading on here. So guys, these are soft chalk pastels. I had got this kit a long time ago at um, a thrift store, and you're probably not gonna find it, but you could get any set of soft chalk pastels on Amazon. Okay, I'm just going around and I'm just adding a little bit of color to my cookie so it looks baked. And I mixed the brown and the orange to give it that baked look, and there you go. That's it. See those cookies and the chunks? You can see the chocolate chunks. You can see the marshmallows, and it just looks yummy. All right. So if you do have that Hershey mold, make sure you put it face up so you can see the words and the letters on the chocolate bar. But like I said, it's not necessary, but make you some, guys. Hope you like it. Talk to you soon. Bye.